Local news about local people. This is Newslink, Indiana.
Good evening, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. Investigators have narrowed down the cause of a weekend fire that killed two brothers in Muncie. They say it may have been a discarded cigarette. Fire investigators say the boy's father, Jason Davison, his wife Sarah, and Jason's mother, who sometimes stayed at the home, smoke. Cigarettes and lighters were found in Juan and Tristan's room where the fire began. Officials also say the blaze could have been started by one of the boys who was known to set fires. The case remains open, but investigators say they don't believe there will be any new information. Well, Newcastle residents raised plenty of concerns Tuesday night about an odor lingering in the air. Newslink, Indiana's Jill Crean met with officials who tried to calm those fears.
Another step in resolving the odor issue in Newcastle. Community leaders and residents met Tuesday to discuss the problem and find some common ground.
It is a community meeting. It's not here for the officials to voice their opinions. It's for them to hear from the community so the community can get their voice out and those voices can be addressed.
Minutes before the meeting, the Indiana Department of Environmental Management received the results of air quality testing conducted around Newcastle.
We sampled for 60 organic compounds. We found 7 in this particular grab sample. We sample upwind and downwind.
Now that tests show there is something in the air, the mayor of Newcastle wants to take it one step further.
And it may certainly require more sophisticated technologies than what they've brought to bear at this point.
However, that could take time.
And I think to get good scientific data, they're going to have to it's not going to happen overnight.
While there are still many things unknown about the odor plaguing Newcastle, one thing is known: it will take some time before the problem is resolved. In Newcastle, Jill Crean, Newslink, Indiana.
Michigan executives from Metaldyne, a factory accused of causing the odor, were also at the meeting. They say the company is doing everything possible to make sure it's not causing the odor. Residents are encouraged to record when and where they smell the odor and send the information to the Henry County Health Department. Well, now here's a look at the Newslink Indiana forecast. Keep a light jacket handy. If you thought it was cool today, just wait until tonight. We'll be flirting with record low temperatures. Expect partly cloudy skies with a low of 50 degrees. Thursday, we won't even top 70 degrees for the high, but we'll see lots of sun and a high of 68. And checking the 5-day forecast, the sunshine will continue all the way through Monday. That is Newslink, Indiana. Join us at 10:57 for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.